Satchel out.
He's gonna ult probably.
Prepare for hellfire.
No!
Reloading.
So double shock dart coming in somewhere. Be careful. Double shock. Wow. Why did I think it was gonna be for the fucking orb?
120 on both. 120 on both.
Half turn, bro. Wait, planner dies, I think.
120 on both.
One enemy remaining.
What?
Wait,
Wait, what happened?
wait.
What?
What just
did he go?
happened? Whoa, whoa, oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, okay. Thank you, Curry, for this nice speech to me.
Yo.
I just can give it back to you, and this is your ding dong.
Oh,
Ding dong. And yes, I will. Thank you. Hello. And thank you, my friend.
Okay.
Flash out. Clearing out. Goodbye.
Oh my god.
Taking that back.
What just happened?
Actually, it's bad.
Are you fucking dog shit player? What the fuck are you doing, pussy?
Listen, I think it is guaranteed. EU Immortal is better than NA Immortal. Guaranteed. And I don't know if it's because people are on their best behavior because I'm in the game, whether it's against me or on my team. But from what I've witnessed, from my opinion, EU is a better region than NA in ranked. But wait till we get into Radiant. I want to see the Radiant lobbies.
Hello.
Pop your cage, pop your cage, pop your cage, sir.
Spike down. B.
I got it. Don't worry. Nothing close.
One enemy remaining. Oh my god. Player standing. One enemy remaining.
No.
Wait, I've seen this Twitter clip.
Standing ahead.
Oh my god!
I can't.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, 40.
Spike down A.
This was. Oh. Where'd that come from?
Do some voice lines. Their jet is fast. So are rabbits and squirrels. I hunt both.
Put down. One enemy remaining. Four down.
Oh. Bombs out, be heaven. Be heaven, kind of.
Poison's off.
Hallelujah.
30 seconds left. You want to fight it? Planted.
Oh, this gets scary now. No.
Smoking everything, we just run aside.
Go for it, baby.
Okay, make it happen.
What the fuck?
Let me at the white women. Oh shit.
Last player standing.
Exactly where you are.
1 HP. Nice. Oh.
Last player standing.
Oh fuck, go. I forgot that I have to defuse the spike. Where the fuck is the spike? No.
Are you kidding me right now? Clutch.
No. What the fuck? I just fucked that up.
Monster on the loose. Last player standing. Spike down.
School!
Oh shit.
Yeah. Ja.
La ganaste. Buena.
Spike planted. Enemy remaining. Out of charges.
Oh, what is that thingy?
Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
Last player
No,
standing.
no, Leslie.
Shoot now, shoot now.
One enemy remaining.
What?
Phoenix.
Two more. One more. Come here. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Just predict the future. Honestly. That's how you get good at this game. Technically.
30 fireball. 30 fireball in the window.
Watch your eyes. Oh, good.
Good shit! He did it! He did it! He did it! I'm gonna suck your face!
I'm out of here. One enemy remaining.
Last one is on C.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
He was there too.
Doesn't stick it, right?
Oh my god.
To do.
So good.
Works. They push me. Yes, up. 1 second. Oh! Go. Oh!
80. Yo, how's my flash not working, bro?
What? Nice. One more.
I told you, bro.
Oh, yeah, yeah!
Spike down A.
Cage triggered. Enemy down.
Raze is super late.
Down A.
Oh my
One
god.
enemy remaining.
He's rotating.
30 seconds left.
Go get him.
Let's go!
That's my son for
Holy